Look at this. Every single red dot on this satellite image is a place that is on fire right now, detected from orbit in the last 24 hours, across a stretch of land from Baja California all the way up to the Canadian border. This image comes from a sensor called VIIRS, short for Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite, flying aboard a satellite about 800 kilometers above your head. It doesn't just take pictures, it reads heat. Anything burning hot enough gets flagged as a thermal anomaly and marked with one of those red pixels. Each dot is roughly 375 meters across on the ground. So when you see a dot, you're seeing a fire that's hot enough and big enough to be felt from space. Now look over here, toward the right side of the image. See that gray streak? That's a smoke plume trailing east from a fire, probably burning somewhere in Nevada or southern Idaho. The red dot at its source is one of the largest thermal signals in this entire frame. Fires that generate a plume you can actually trace from orbit are burning intensely enough to drive their own local weather. They pull in air, build columns, and sometimes create pyrocumulus clouds, thunderstorms born from flames. That streak alone is likely covering hundreds of square kilometers of sky. Now look down toward the lower portion of the frame. That slim blue wedge is the Gulf of California, visible near the bottom center, and just above it, the dry, tan landscape of Baja California. There are red dots here too, small ones, scattered. June is early in the fire season for the interior West, but Baja and the desert Southwest can ignite almost any month when conditions are dry enough. The fact that fires are already popping up this far south, this early, is worth noticing. What gets me about this image is how ordinary it almost looks. A satellite view of the West, some clouds, some terrain, and then you count the dots. There are dozens of them. Each one is a real place, right now, on fire. From 800 kilometers up, they're just pixels. On the ground, every single one of them has a smoke column and a perimeter, and people keeping track of it. We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.